carodeo.com. Okay. It's going to get weird. Jack, one more time. Okay, before we get started, I want to tell you this right now. The chickens won the event last year. The pigs are engaged. And the cows are siblings. Champions married siblings. I wonder what happens if we put a chicken with the pig and a cow with the turkey.
They might send you back to Arkansas.
Here's how this goes, friends. Each one of our teams, the pig, cow, and the chicken who you just met, they must gather 3 farm supplies from different spots in the arena. A hay bale, proudly presented to us by the Crandall Ranch. A bag of feed provided by Anderson Orchards. 2 small animals matching their costumes. The challenge, they can each only carry 1 item at a time back to the other team's pen. The rubber animals must be carried like little tiny babies. Oh, it's a baby. Cradled in their arms while they run. When the announcer, either me or CR, yells, "Stampede!" everyone must drop what they're doing, even if it's a baby, and do the chicken dance. The first team to collect everything back to the barn wins. Okay, is everything set, Jack? We're set? We're ready? CR?
Yes, sir.
I think we need a countdown. You want to lead it?
We going to start from 100 like we always do?
I think so.
Okie dokie.
Maybe 5. Let's just say 5.
All right. How about over here on this side? Can we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
And the race is off. I can't tell if they're the siblings or married or cousins. But I do know this. Stampede! Stampede, chickens, do your dance, or you'll get Kentucky Fried. Back to the action. Run, chickens. The cows are going to get married. The chickens are going to get fried.
Holy smokes, the pigs, they're overloading.
Stampede. Stampede, pigs. Stampede. The pig's chicken dance does suck. I think the cows or siblings are going to get married if you don't chicken dance better.
I think the pig's been stealing some of my moves.
Back to the action.
Let's go.
Oh, these poor chickens. They deserve to be in a bucket together.
Uh-oh.
If you're not cheating, you don't want it bad enough.
We got a feud on the farm.
If you've ever had the hard decision of choosing beef or chicken, wait no longer. Yes. Beef or poultry, that is always the choice. However, while they were fighting over who is the second best protein to pork, your champions, give it up for the pigs. Are you guys, okay, go ahead, Melissa, play it. Are you guys the brother and sister or getting married? You're getting married? All right, give them a big old smoochy smooch.
Oh, gross, he just kissed his sister.
How about the brother and sister? You guys feeling it?
Must be good DNA.
chicken sucks again. Listen, Rooster, if you've ever been in a real fight, you wouldn't be hankering so much to get into another one. Thank you, Clint. There's 3 minutes of your life that you'll never get back. Oh, boy. Tim, do we have anything? Go up to the big screen from a word from our sponsor.